Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to change control center on Xiaomi device. Let's get started. See, this control center is enabled now. Now I will show you how to change it. First, go to your phone settings. Now scroll down. Tap on notification and control center. Scroll down. Now tap on control center style. Now tap on new version. Done. Now go back. Control center is changed now. By this process, you can easily change Redmi control center. Thanks for watching.